Hello respected viewers, you all are welcome to my channel once again. Triangle PQR is a triangle and an exterior angle of this angle RPQ is QPA and this angle is bisected. So this is the exterior angle bisector. This PT bisects this angle and exterior angle RQP is bisected and QS is the bisector of this angle. We are given that PT is equal to PQ is equal to QS and we have to find the value of angle RPQ which is marked as X, so we have to find the value of X. This question is from Junior Maths Olympiad and it is an average question asked for 8th or 9th grade students. We have to find this value and we are given these three sides PT, PQ and QS equal. In triangle PQS, since PQ and QS are equal, the diagram is not drawn to the scale. So therefore this is an isosceles triangle and hence this angle is equal to this angle. So this is also X because PQ is equal to QS. So angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this will also be X. Now for triangle PQS, this SQC is exterior angle and will be equal to sum of the two remote interior angles. So we can say that this angle SQC is equal to this angle plus this angle which is equal to 2x, sum of these two by exterior angle property. Since this is 2x and this QS is bisector of angle RQC, so this will also be 2x. So this is 2x, this is 2x. This whole angle is 2x plus 2x which is 4x, and since RQC is equal to angle PQT because of vertically opposite angle, this is also 4x. These two angles are vertically opposite angles and will be equal. Now since PQ is equal to PT, therefore in triangle PTQ these two angles are equal once again. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal, so this is 4x. And we can say that this RPA is a straight angle and this is X, so this will be 180 minus X. This whole angle is 180 minus X, but these two are equal since PT bisects this angle APQ. So 180 minus X is divided by 2 will be 90 minus X by 2. This angle, only this angle is 90 minus X by 2. So for this triangle PTQ, if we add all these three angles, we will get 180. So therefore 90 minus X by 2 plus 4x which is 8x, that is equal to 180 degree, and therefore 8x minus X by 2 is equal to this 90 subtracted from 180 will be 90. If we simplify this 2 into 8 will be 16x minus x, 15x by 2 is equal to 90. So 15 into 6 will give you that. So therefore x is equal to 6 into 2, 12. X is 12 degree. So therefore angle QPR which is X is equal to 12 degree, and this is the answer.